Jet, run around. Run around!
Rama, look.
Hey, Rama, over here. No, Rama.
The point is he'll do it on his own. He loves
I bet he'd
you,
do it if I did. If like anyone but you.
Jet, lay down.
Should
Come
I
here,
test
Andy.
it?
I don't want to get on this one.
I'll try it.
For the purpose of experimentation.
For experimentation purposes.
Going to see if Rama will hump Jet again.
Stick it in his face.
Rachel, find another light to turn on so we can get this.
He's getting excited.
Uh-oh.
Yes, we'll do it again. I don't need to test it.
You just need to stick your butt up. Get him
You'll
all
do
in
it
it.
again, won't you? You'll hump. You'll be a humper.
Oh my god.
You'll be a humper.
Humperdinkle.
Like the bunny and Bambi. You're humper instead of thumper. My little humper.
Poor Rama. Just
I know,
tease
he
him.
just needs a little friend.
Maybe a big friend.
We don't want to be that friend.
You have a poodle that my dog can have sex with.
A standard poodle.
Let us know.
Please, decent size. He's a very powerful.
1-800-261-2000. That's the number. Hook Rama up with a nice male.
Can you remember it? Can you remember that number,
Male
Rach?
or female.
2600?
1-800-621-2000.
100.
Yeah, but you did 20.
1-800-621-2000.
2000. Just catch that, folks. 2000.
1-800-621-2000.
He will take male or female.
Hey.
He's not picky.
He is a gay
Oh, he
beast.
looks so offended.
Rama, I still love you.
Everyone loves Rama.
Rama, you've had several good humps tonight. You should be satisfied.
He's done it 4 times.
Late at night, he just gets lonely.
I think we all do.
And my mom's not here.
No,
No, but she's the one who provides him with love, and right now he's just
He needs
sad.
some.
He needs love.
He needs some hot monkey sex right now.
Let us
Monkey
know,
lovin'.
You wanna help my baby?
Didn't work at first.
He had to stick the butt in the air.
You had to get him going.
Yeah, that was more of a forced hump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had to
The
calm
other
him.
3 were like legit
But he'll
in the
keep
mood.
going, like, now he's ready.
Yeah. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. He's not doing anything. Okay, honey.
Rama, stop.
But he will.
Oh, Rama.
So
Come here, boo boo. Come here.
I think he hates all of you.
He's like, I can't get there.
He loves me more than life itself. Unconditional.
Oh, Rama.
Move your feet. I want to see my baby.
Move your feet.
Hey.
Oh, that was violent.
Just jabbed it into me.
How surprised
Rama,
we
no.
squealed in pain.
I didn't hit her that hard. It just looked like it.
It just sounded funny.
No, it hurt.
You're such a baby.
You're a baby.
You're a bitch.
You're.
That's why grandma
Wow,
loves
Rach,
so
you
much.
were really good at the comeback.
To ground.
Are you gonna hold my leg? Look at what he's doing. That's so weird, Rama. He was like,
Jen, you packed a lunch to
My
go.
mom My mom packed me up after the gym.
Rachel.
I didn't have dinner. I had that.
Whoa. This is pretty.
Don't mock her, bitch.
It was